channel. I'm Anne Catherine and I make videos on painting, home decor and DIY here on YouTube. In this episode we're continuing to make over the apartment. So let's get right to it. Okay, I'm all ready. The car is loaded up and so today we're going to be styling the apartment. It's a little bit nerve-wracking because I've never done it before, but I'm really excited. It shouldn't be too hard, but I need to try and find the balance between not personalizing it too much, but still making it look like somewhere people would like to live. So let's give this a go. Let's go. Okay, here we have all the stuff that I've gathered and brought over for styling. So some of those I might not eventually end up using, and I might actually need more. I don't know. But anyway, let's see what we can do with all this. Okay, so I'm going to start here with the bedroom. Let's shift things around and see what we can do. I have these pillows, but they need stuffed a little bit more. So that way it looks much fuller. Let's turn it on. Next room that needs done is the living / dining room. So I might reuse some of the things I used in the bedroom. Because it's just for photos. But yeah, let's do this. So this table definitely needs something green. So I've got this little vase, and I didn't have anything to put it in at a pinch, so I found some greenery outside. There we go. And that way we've got a tiny little flower arrangement. So next we have the kitchen. Let's see what we can do to spruce this one up. So I don't have any tea tiles that look good enough, but I've got this bit of fabric. I'm going to see if I can make a fake tea tile with it. I'm going to use these guys again. Just to liven things up a bit. Next up is the bathroom. So yeah, at the moment it looks like this. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but we're just going to try and beautify it a little bit for the photos. Put this guy here instead. More neutral color. I'll also make sure that the toilet paper is full. It's just a tiny little detail, but it makes it look more put together. The last thing we got for the bathroom is this beautiful combination washer dryer. So I'm really glad that we could offer this to our tenants. That way they can, do their laundry and also dry their clothes inside rather than hanging it up and then having problems with mold. So finally we're going to finish up with the entryway. So this is what it looks like so far. We have a mirror, we have this console table. Let's get this done. So yeah, I know this is really minimal and I'm going for the same thing yet again, but yeah. And that concludes the makeover of our rental apartment. I am super happy with the results. So without further ado, let's show you the reveal. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this series. I really enjoyed the whole process and it was a first for me. So you discovered it all along with me. So if you enjoyed this series, please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment on thoughts that you have or future projects you'd like to see. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye.